welcome to another video. Today we are looking at the e.l.f. Bite Size Eyeshadow Palette in Very Bad. This is the look I created. In this video I'm going to show you swatches, give you a quick review, and also show you a tutorial. This palette surprised me. Totally surprised me. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get into this video. Please make sure to comment down below which eyeshadow palette you want me to use next. I am doing a look for each of the e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadow palettes. Down below I will link all of the tutorials and reviews I have done so far. So let's get into the video. So I want to start off with a really quick review of the Very Bad eyeshadow palette. Like I said in the intro, this completely shocked me. I was not expecting to like this palette as much as I do. Out of all the ones I've tried so far, this is definitely a top contender for my favorite bite-size eyeshadow palette from e.l.f. I think it is so beautiful and is perfect for fall for you in America. In Australia, it's spring here, so it's a bit different, but I still really love this look so much. I haven't used any false lashes because I really just wanted to let the eyeshadow do the talking. I absolutely love this. I think the colors are perfection. I don't think I would change anything. The only thing maybe is I would just make this purple here a bit lighter and a bit more foiled. That's the only thing I can think of. Apart from that, I absolutely love it. This is fantastic. Highly recommend. I think it is a really great fall palette and any palette at all. Like, I'm in spring and I think it's great. My favorite shade in this is definitely the copper foil shade. It is so foiled and shiny. I love it. And I really actually love this light matte shade. I think it was the perfect transition. It was just gorgeous. It looked so good. Definitely a keeper, this one. So let's move on to the arm swatches and eye swatches.
Yeah, I'm living this life with a different attitude. Don't flip, don't trip, keeping up the good mood. Cooking up some good food with my friends in the street. Yeah, people wanna chill, they can come and speak to me. Cause all you gotta do is just ask. Cause we can always get another glass. Got drip, got swag, got class. Just roll another one, then puff, puff, pass. Pop the trunk, hit the brakes, stop the gas. When I'm sitting with my friends, I see all smiles and laughs. And I'm thinking that I'm drunk, hit the bathroom mirror just to get a clearer vision. I'm a man on a mission. There's a girl outside with a name like the sea. It's just how she is, yeah, it's just how she be. Got a bowl full of drinks and a bowl full of weed. Topped up on vibes, yeah, it's lovely to see, yeah. She's the best that's at the party, looking for an after party. Even though we just started, trying to shoot like James Harden. Everybody dancing in the garden, make it feel like time style. Got the perfect backdrop, yeah. She's the best that's at the party, looking for an after party. Even though we just started, trying to shoot like James Harden. Everybody dancing in the garden, make it feel like time style. Got the perfect backdrop, yeah. Living this life with a different attitude. Don't flip, don't trip, keeping up the good mood. Cooking up some good food with my friends in the street. Yeah, people wanna chill, they can come and speak to me. Cause all you gotta do is just ask. Cause we can always get another glass.
Good morning. We are using the Very Bad e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadow palette today. Very exciting. I love these tones. I'm really vibing with it. So let's give this a go today. As you can see, I have done most of my base makeup already, and now we're going to do the eyes. I'll tell you one thing, I really need to clean all my makeup brushes because I'm literally, these are the only ones I have left that are clean. So I need to clean my makeup brushes today. So firstly, we're going to pick up the lightest matte shade in the palette. I'm using a really big fluffy brush, and with this shadow I'm just going to buff all that into the crease and also a bit onto the lid. Because this brush is so large, it kind of fits also on my lid, so that's okay. But we're really using this as the first transition shade.
James Harden, everybody dancing in the garden, make it feel like time stop.
And I know I'm being a little risky today. No sticky tape. My face makeup is on first, so let's hope there's no fallout. I think we'll be fine. This shadow is absolutely stunning. I've really been getting into pink shadows lately and mauvey tones. So because we are going to do a halo eye today, I am going to focus this also really close on that inner corner. Wow, I love that color. Now we're just going to go into the deepest matte shade right here, and we're going to carefully build this halo eye up.
Cause we can always get another glass. Got drip, got swag, got...
So I'm starting to blend this on the outer third of my eye and push it into the crease. And I'm just using patting motions to really get the pigment on there.
Vacation, yeah, yeah. Cause these times won't last, so don't let them...
Now I'm going to place it on the inner third of the eye. Again, trying not to go too far past the crease, just trying to keep it in the crease.
It seems we ain't got enough conversation. Please, when you come around, stop your face, shit.
Now with whatever excess is left on this brush, I'm just going to push it up and around. Then grabbing a cleanish blending brush, I'm just going to buff in those edges just to reduce any harsh lines. I love these colors. I don't think I've really ever used too much of these colors before. They're so pretty, wow. I'm also trying to keep that deeper color really kind of nice and tight in there and not smoke it out too much. I just want that lighter matte shade to be smoked out. So now I'm actually going to go in with the Copper Shimmer shade. This is really bold and looks really foiled when it's swatched, so it should really make your eyelids pop. My eyebrow is really up there again today. So with this copper shade, I'm just going to focus this right on the center. Right on the center of that lid. And I am also going to use my finger to help apply that because it does give it that foiled look. See, look at that. Oh, so pretty. Now I'm just going to jump back into that really deep shade and I'm just going to help blend out and diffuse any harsh edges and lines that we have. I'm so impressed with this. I honestly was not expecting to like this palette as much as I do. I'm shocked. Absolutely shocked. For the bottom lash line, I'm going to jump back into this light matte shade. Just to start with, there is slightly a little bit of fallout. Not sure if you can see it. I do always recommend starting with your eyes first and then doing your face makeup. But today, I don't know what came over me. I just felt like doing my face right away. So I'm going to blend this all into the bottom lash line and take it a little bit further down because on top of this we're going to put the gorgeous purple shimmer shade all on the bottom lash line. But I just kind of want this to act as kind of a transition really. And we might also put that purple on the very inner corner here. I think that might look nice. And now for the fun bit. We're going to jump into the purple shade, that nice shimmery purple. And I'm going to put this all on that bottom lash line. I'm also going to place this on that inner corner as well. You can see this purple is not as foiled as that copper was. But if we use our finger, it does get more vibrant. Now to spice it up even more, I just want to put the smallest little dot of this e.l.f. Flirty Birdy metallic eyeshadow liquid shadow thing. I love this. I want more colors of this. So I'm just going to put the slightest dot just on that inner corner. Okay, so now I don't want to put any liner on. I just want to go straight in, curl my lashes and put mascara on. Just lost an eyelash. No. For the waterline, I'm just going to use a light nude shade just to help brighten up the eyes a little bit. My eyes have been so red and irritated lately that I haven't really been using too much in my eye just because I want to not irritate them as much. Okay, what do you think? Do we need false lashes? I don't know. I don't think we do. I don't think so. I think it looks pretty just as it is, to be honest. I think sometimes it's nice to just let your eyeshadow do the talking. Okay, and here we have the completed look. Honestly, I am so surprised at how much I love this. I didn't think I'd like it this much. This is a definite favorite. I love it. Wow, I'm very surprised. So tell me what you guys think about this palette. Like, wow, perfect for fall. I mean, we're in spring here in Australia, but for you guys in America, I feel like this is crazy good for a fall palette. So yeah, thank you guys so very much for watching. I love you and I will see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
like James Harden. Everybody dancing in the garden, make it feel like time style. Got the perfect backdrop, yeah. She's the best dancer at the party, looking for an after party. Even though we just started trying to shoot like James Harden. Everybody dancing in the garden, make it feel like time style. Got the perfect backdrop, yeah. Living this life with a different attitude. Don't flip, don't trip, keeping up the good mood. Cooking up some good food with my friends in the street, yeah.